Hello friends, so happy to welcome you to my channel. Today we're making my favorite cauliflower recipe, taught to me by my dear grandma. Take one medium head of cauliflower, about 1,200 grams, and cut it into florets. Slice any large pieces in half. This will help all the pieces cook evenly. Place all the florets into a deep pot. Pour in enough water to completely cover the cauliflower. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Boil the cauliflower for 7 minutes, no longer. Remove all the pieces from the hot water and let them cool. Take 100 grams of wheat flour and sift it into a large bowl. Crack in 3 whole eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, about 100 grams. Season with salt. Add black pepper to taste. Add a pinch of paprika. And a pinch of cumin. Mix everything well until smooth. Add all the boiled cauliflower florets into the mixture. Friends, I hope you enjoy this simple and wholesome recipe. If you'd like to support my creative journey, give this video a like. Gently stir to coat every piece. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I'd really love to know. Coat each cauliflower piece in plain breadcrumbs. Place them on a sheet of baking paper. Friends, we might never meet here again. So subscribe now and I'll always be close by. Arrange the pieces snugly next to each other. Sprinkle with your favorite grated hard cheese. Share your favorite cauliflower recipes in the comments. Time to start baking. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce. First, chop some fresh parsley. Place it in a small bowl. Grate in 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Squeeze in the juice from half a lime, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Lemon works just as well. Season with salt to taste. Add 150 grams of plain yogurt. Stir everything well. Meanwhile, our cauliflower under the cheese is ready. Wow, it looks wonderful. Transfer the finished dish onto a plate. Look at these neat pieces of cauliflower. Enjoy it while it's still hot.
And
And with that delicious aroma, you can't wait to dig in. Friends, let me know if you try this recipe in your kitchen. It's been such a pleasure cooking with you today. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Share this simple and healthy recipe with your friends. I'll be waiting for you in the comments.